Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. As we are in a state of lockdown, actually we are in a state of lockdown 4.0, and we all the teachers are coming or connecting to you through our videos, through our chats. So again today I came back to discuss class 7 SST, which is known as social studies, sorry. Today we are going to discuss about our environments, about our earth. So today our topic of discussion is air surrounding the earth, which is chapter number 4 of your geography section, subject social studies. Today we are going to talk about atmosphere. We have learned it since the beginning, since our childhood, from class 4, class 3, class 6. Atmosphere, what is atmosphere? Again today we are discussing it as it is included in your SS social studies. We will go through each and every details about the atmosphere. So first let us come to the meaning of atmosphere. Means what do we actually mean by atmosphere? It's as simple as water. The layer of gases which surrounds the earth is atmosphere. Look at me. I am exhaling the air. What am I exhaling? It is the oxygen. Watch again. What am I exhaling out? It is the carbon dioxide which am I exhaling out. So in this few second video I have shown you two gases. Those two gases which I am intaking and which I am releasing, both are coming from the nature. This is atmosphere. This is what we call actually atmosphere. Means atmosphere is a layer of gases which surrounds the earth's surface. I hope you have understood. I am explaining it again. The layer of gases which surrounds the earth is called an atmosphere. Air is atmosphere. This is very much simple. Now coming back, its compositions. First of all, you need to understand what is composition. Composition means what is it made up of. What is it made up of? Means what is atmosphere made up of? As we have studied earlier also, atmosphere is made up of lots of gases. It is made up of lots of gases, especially nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide and other gases. Other gases we mean to say methane, etc., etc. So basically it is a mixture of gases. Basically atmosphere is a mixture of gases which we have in our surroundings. Now why there is a lot of mixture of gases in our surrounding? What is the need of this lot of gases in our surrounding? What is the need? Yes, we do need this all kind of gases. Without it we can't survive. Let me explain you in a very short. Which air help us to survive? Which air help us to survive? It is the oxygen. Yes, all of us we know. But what makes the plants survive? Which air makes the plants survive? It is not the oxygen, it is the carbon dioxide. You have learned it in your science also that plants give out oxygen and intakes the carbon dioxide, and in due process they make their food through the process called photosynthesis. For this photosynthesis process they need carbon dioxide, and who gives the carbon dioxide? It is the us, it is the human beings. And what do we intake? We intake oxygen. Why do we need oxygen? We need oxygen to survive. Who gives us the oxygen? It is the plants who give us the oxygen. I hope you have understood the meaning of atmosphere and its compositions. You take out your books and you read the whole section. As it is impossible for us to go through line by line of each and every lesson in your class. So we are discussing collectively the most important. Let me repeat it again. We are discussing it collectively the most important topics. So today I have discussed to you about the atmosphere and its composition. In the next class I will explain you regarding its characteristics, its origin and etc., etc. So what will be your duty right now? You just open up your book, go through the chapter, go through the explanation what I have explained, refer it to your book and try to understand. If you find any kind of any problem, we are there to help you. Don't worry, don't panic, we are there to help you. If you find any problem, you can contact us anytime through WhatsApp. I hope you have understood. Take care. Thank you.